Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramenrater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Umai Crate. If you go and look below this video, if you're looking at the post for it, there'll be a link there. If you're looking on YouTube, look in the description section. There'll be a link and a coupon code so you can get a discount. You got to click on the link and then use the coupon code. So just, yeah. Anyways, yeah, neat boxes with all sorts of stuff from Japan, and yeah, let's crack it open and look inside. Okay. Alrighty, so when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this informative pamphlet. Yeah, and inside it's got information on how to cook and what these things are. So if you can't read Japanese and don't know how to decipher pictograms and bits of Japanese and some numbers, don't lose this, alright? You also get a recipe card. Hey! Alright, so we'll pick apart everything that's in this box and I'll tell you a little bit about it, huh? First off, we've got one from Itomen. This is a seafood, vegetable, and dashi. This one is a shio variety. Pretty sure I've had this one. There's a few varieties in this range and so far, so good. Next up from Yamamoto Saifun, we have rich Chinese miso noodles. It's an alright bowl. There's some pretty good stuff in there. It's alright. This is a pretty good one. This is a Hakata tonkatsu, and the noodles are non-fried, I believe, and they're really good. The seasoning, the broth is really good too. Yeah, this is a pretty stand-up tonkatsu, so nice and milky and creamy. Well, folks, what with the winter months coming soon and the leaves turning colors, nothing like a nice hot bowl of oatmeal in the morning, right? Well, the Japanese have decided that maybe it would be better if you included scallop and butter in your oatmeal. Yeah, I don't know. I've been actually playing around with making ice cream using instant noodle flavors and instant noodles, and I don't know. That doesn't seem crazy, but this seems a little weird. Scallop oatmeal? I don't know. I guess we'll see. Next up, we've got Gashi Yokocho red clam soup. Yeah, red clam soup. I don't know. It maybe it's like Manhattan style clam chowder. I don't think it is though. It looks interesting from what I can see in here. So yeah, I'll give this a try. And then we got this, and I'm pretty sure this is for the recipe card. This is Maloney-chan. These are smooth vermicelli noodles that absorb flavor like no one's business. Alright, cool. Next up from Kenko Foods, we have Szechuan style ramen, and this is like a hint of spicy kind of ramen. It's not bad, it's pretty good stuff actually. Seen it quite a few times. It's a good one. I can see why they include it. And then we've got some more kishimen. This is boiled ankake udon. Yeah, I don't know if I've had this one. I'm not sure. We'll find out. And finally, we've got this. What is this, you ask? This is the bonus item, and this is Yuzu Sea Bream Dachi Ochazuki. I know sea bream is a fish, and yuzu is a citrus, and basically, you can dump this stuff on top of rice as a seasoning. So there you go. Alright, so in the October 2022 Umai Crate, you get scallop oatmeal, miso, Maloney, something a little spicy, udon, Hakata tonkatsu, red clam soup, seafood shio, a recipe card, ochazuki, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well thanks again to the folks over at japancrate.com for sending this Umai Crate over. Yeah, again, look around, that link won't be hard to find, and then you can get a discount, and you'll be happy, and that will be great. So, yeah, can't have enough happy. Alright, well this has been Hans the Ramenrater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.